Imitation is the highest form of flattery that mediocrity can pay to greatness. A quote from Oscar Wilde that most of us are familiar with. While imitation can be seen as a form of flattery, it can also be seen as a sign of mediocrity, as the imitator is simply copying rather than creating something original. Which brings us to today's subject, overlays. The perfect imitators of concrete. But is it flattery or just outright mediocrity? When it comes to overlays, the number one concern is strength. When you think of concrete, you think solidness and toughness. And for those not familiar, overlays seem weak and fragile. To be honest, it's completely understandable. Overlays range from a few millimeters, such as microcement, often referred to as microtopping, to a couple of inches thick, this being the stamped and taped pattern floors. A lot of people want to know if overlays will hold up to everyday wear and tear, or even just foot traffic in general. The answer is guaranteed to exceed your expectations by tenfold. You see, residential driveways and patios are rated between 3,000 to 4,000 psi, pounds per square inch, while more durable overlays can rate over 4,000 psi, and the thinner ones still reaching 2,000 to 3,000 psi. This is made possible by its material composition of cement, which is the main binder and base structure. Fine sands add texture and contribute to the material's bonding strength. Polymers increase durability, water resistance, and flexibility, making the material resistant to cracking, as it is able to flex with the ground movement. But its real power comes from its strengthening fibers. Steel fibers improve tensile strength, impact resistance, and durability. They are partially effective in reducing crack width and enhancing load transfer. Synthetic fibers include polypropylene and nylon fibers, which help control plastic shrinkage cracks and improve post-crack behavior. Glass fibers are used for enhancing tensile strength and reduce shrinkage cracking, especially in the thin overlays. Carbon fibers are high-performance fibers used in specialized applications for the exceptional strength and stiffness. Concrete is inherently porous. When prepped properly, those pores open up, allowing the overlay to bind and anchor itself to the existing concrete floor. It doesn't just lay on top, it seeps into and becomes one with its concrete counterpart. This is where your floor goes Super Saiyan. Applying an overlay is like giving your floor performance-enhancing drugs, making it stronger, better looking, more flexible, and decades of longevity. Overlays are like the underdog everyone counts out. But as the old saying goes, never judge a book by its cover. If you're doing research for a potential floor renovation, I hope this video has helped remove any doubts about concrete overlays.